Yeah, this car's still running perfectly. Unfortunately, there's an orange light come on the dash.
You are going to need some tools, but the most important thing, you're going to have to get the sensor, the oxygen sensor, from a reputable source, so a local auto factor supplier.
To change it was a little bit of trouble. You have to use some of the famous W40 penetration oil. That's what I recommend. Have the engine cool, and then your special socket with the slot, you place it over this, and then I had to go and buy, I forget what they call these things. Anyway, it needs to be a good lever, I found, to be able to remove this, and obviously turning anti-clockwise, using all your force to the end, because you need to go to the end to get the leverage. And once you undo it, and before you undo it, you can disconnect it where this plugs in. Okay, and that's the old one, as you can see, pretty grim. Okay, so you just press on the little, there's like a lock. You click on that, and then you can pull it out. Fit the new one, and then all you have to do is go back to your app, and then go back to your device, and all you need to do then is clear the fault. And I did it with the engine running. I tried with the engine off as they suggested in the app, but that didn't clear the fault. But once I turned the engine on and I pressed clear, then it cleared. So to fix this fault, you have to get one of these. Okay, and when it's working, you have to turn the ignition on, and then on your phone, I can't show you on the phone because I've actually got the phone recording this video. On the phone, on the app, you can make it read, and it will communicate. If you got any smoke, you might not have tightened it enough, in which case you have to disconnect it.
You're recording it now.
Oh right, that's with the engine off. That's when it started. And notice it clears. No more error displayed. So that looks like it. End of story. The only thing you'll have to buy, maybe, because I didn't have this long arm extension for this socket, which you also have to find, and I'll put a link where I bought it from. I think it was eBay, to be honest. And the device itself, I'll show you the device, which is plugged in here. Again, got that from eBay, and it's a good device.
But as it is a Bluetooth device, you will need an app on your phone. The one I can recommend is the one I used, which is Car Scanner ELM OBD2 app. Install the app, open your Bluetooth connection for the device, and then the Car Scanner app, when open, you can find a diagnostic button, and from there you can just click on it, and after you click on it, it'll run through the tests, and when you see the error, you clear the error.